Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. I consider it a great honor to be invited to speak here. I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time. My name is Han. My English used to be very poor. I felt terrible about myself. I had a very negative attitude towards life. I even consider myself a total failure. I had no words, no dreams, no hope for the future. But when I studied super English, I began to judge. I started to realize that my life has a meaning. I could control my future and influence other people. I learned that such a purpose of life is to accept change, accept my limits. I must care about others and live life of service. But when I join local cooking clubs, every day my pronunciation gets better. Every day my vocabulary increases. Every day my confidence grows. I have a lot of friends, good friends. They help me from good habits. For example, I get up early every morning and tell me crazy. We can talk about our problems, which are joy. They make me always smile. I feel happy when I join Loben Cooking Club. I love you all and appreciate your progressive. Be confident, work hard, never give up. I believe in myself. Thank you for the time and attention. Bye.